different areas, no, like legislative and the executive. Given these highlighted loopholes, does the president intend to ask the Congress to refine and strengthen the version of the bill in order to ensure that it effectively prohibits the dynastic concentration of power?
Even during the LEDAC meeting, sinabi po ng Pangulo, no, ito'y araling mabuti at kailangan maipasa sa pinakamabilis na panahon. Pag sinabi nating aralin, ibig sabihin, hindi minamadali, half-baked, hindi ganun ang nais ng Pangulo. Dapat maayos at mapapakinabangan at magagamit at magiging kapakinig-pakinabang sa ating kababayan.
Follow-up question from Ivy Reyes, Billionario.
Hi, ma'am. The anti-political dynasty bill not being certified as urgent is seen as mere optics. Akbayan, for example, said the president's declaration of his 4 priority bills is only propaganda. And he said, sabi nga natin, ang politikong gipit sa pangakong reforma kumakapit. What's Malacanang's take on this, and how far is the president willing to push for reforms, knowing that he, the presidential son, and the House Speaker are also part of the system he's trying to change?
Are we now talking of the anti-dynasty bill?
Yeah.
Okay. Nakita na natin yung unang tanong ni Marie Sumali. May mga loopholes. So, paano natin ito mapapadali? Paanong iuutos ng Pangulo na ito'y mapapadali? Kung may mga issues na dapat nalinisin, may mga issues na dapat maayos. So, ang pagpapautos ba or rather request na araling mabuti bago magsagawa at maipasa ang batas na ito ay pang-optics lang? Hindi ba ang nais natin ay magandang batas? Hindi minamadali. Ang pagmamadali sa paggawa ng batas pero kulang, yan po ang para sa optics lang.
And then last question